Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I am here with Lecture Monday with the next part in technical terms in plant breeding. Starting with embryo culture means embryo का culture करके हमें एक plant बनाना है. Removal of developing young embryos from seed and their cultivation in vitro means lab में. Embryo rescue, use of embryo culture to recover such interspecific hybrids that would otherwise be lost due to endosperm abortion during early stages of embryo development. Means वो पर्टिकुलर हाइब्रिड जो है वो अबॉर्ट हो जाता, वो ख़राब हो जाता, वो नहीं डेवलप कर पाता, तो इसीलिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग उसका एम्ब्रियो कल्चर करके उसको सेव कर ले रहे हैं ना. एम्ब्रियो सैक क्या होता है? सेल डेवलप फ्रॉम मेगास्पोर. इसमें क्या क्या होता है? इसमें एग सेल होता है, इसमें सिनर्जिट्स होता है, एंटीपोडल्स होता है, पोलर न्यूक्लियाई होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज मेगा गैमेटोफाइट. ना नेक्स्ट वन इज एंडोन्यूक्लिएजेस. एंजाइम है, क्योंकि न्यूक्लिएजेस से पता चल रहा है कि एंजाइम है, दैट प्रोड्यूस single or double stranded cuts within DNA molecules. That is, they do not digest DNA molecule from the ends. ये सिर्फ कट करता है एंड से. ठीक है. Endosperm balance number EBN, the relative strength of a genome to support endosperm development in seeds from interspecific crosses. Usually ये 1 or 0.5 होता है depending upon the species. Now, EBN hypothesis क्या है? It is said that normal endosperm will only develop when maternal to paternal EBN ratio, okay, maternal to paternal will be in 2:1. Okay, normal endosperm development occurs only when maternal to paternal EBN ratio and not the genome ratio in endosperm is 2:1. Entry. What's an entry? A newly developed line or strain included for evaluation in multi-location trial for all India coordinated research project of the concerned crop is known as entry. Means until and unless it is a developed variety, a released variety, we call that strain or line for different trials as entry. So that's it for the day. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.